Has he got a hold of him?
Yeah, he's got him. He's got him in his teeth.
He has already decided anything that's high or tall.
Oh no, they got away.
He needs my help to get. No, we shouldn't climb the pictures. Somebody can get that though. Can you get that?
Dinger. Dinger. Do boy.
Has he got him?
Yeah, he's got him. Nope, he's lost him. Dinger.
She's a shadow.
Alright, he's got him. He's got him.
You still got him?
He's got him.
Did you get him jumping on me?
Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
He can get to that himself. He waiting for my
He's
help.
waiting for you.
You waiting for my help, buddy?
Jump, Dinger. Jump. Up. Good boy.
Does he got him?
No.
What's he doing?
It says closer, Daddy. You can't quite reach him. There he goes.
That was just laying on my head.
He's got him. Uh-oh, he let him get away. He's distracted by Danica.
Hop off, please. You can hop off now. Where are you going? Where are you going?
He's all tangled up in it.